our current architecture is pretty simple, right? So we're coming through a gateway from the RAN. We're dumping our data onto our edge network, onto these relatively small servers. Right now, some of our customers and projects are just kind of doing gets of those files in batches for post-processing and taking them off. But I see an evolution for our environment where our mech starts to evolve into a cloud mech, and where we start to extend that data out in a somewhat local way, but yet taking it physically away from the actual edge, which behind me is we're literally inches away from the RAN. So we're about as close to the edge as you can be, but moving that off to other resources and assets in the locality.
Yeah, that's really helpful. So we'll need to have an efficient, function-oriented communication between edge cloud and central cloud, so that those things that are best done at the edge and can live in the edge and die on the edge stay there, but a sampling of that is useful to the generation of AI and training algorithms in the central cloud. For algorithmic deployment to the edge cloud, that will see that kind of a back and forth develop.
And Admiral, if I could just build on that, I'm personally interested in how we evolve in our decision making about what algorithms, what data what operations we perform at the edge versus the cloud. We talk about it conceptually between us here, but I think as you get into actual applications, I mean, it's not always a straightforward decision, and I see a lot of variation. So I think there's going to be lessons learned that come out of experimentation around different apps, making those trade-offs.